Welcome to Icon Education. Here we are discussing NEET PYQ of Physics, first chapter, Units and Measurement. Last year we got three questions from this topic. Let us discuss one by one. So here is the first question. They have given a relation that is T is proportional to S power alpha, A power beta, rho power gamma and R power delta. They are asking to find alpha, beta, gamma, delta values, but no need to find all those four values. Let us see how it is. Basically, this is based on the dimensions formula. Let me write the dimensions of each physical quantity. Left hand side we have time, and this is the surface tension, force per unit length. That's why mt power minus 2 whole power alpha, A for area, L square, and rho mass density. That's why this is a mass per unit volume, whole power gamma, R for radius, L power delta. Now what I'm doing is I'm equating the powers of t on both sides. Left hand side we have t power 1 and right hand side we have t power minus 2 alpha. So it's very clear, alpha equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next take the powers of m. Left hand side 0 and right hand side we have m power alpha plus gamma. It's very clear, alpha plus gamma is equal to 0. That means alpha equal to minus gamma. I request you no need to find these values, just see alpha and gamma are opposite. If you see the options carefully, we have alpha gamma opposite, alpha and gamma same, alpha and gamma same, alpha and gamma here completely different. So the answer is A. Now go to the next question. So this is based on relative error concept. Okay, so first let me take the physical quantity given, P equal to A cube B square by C root D. Now here we have some rules for this finding relative error. For example, if you have exponent rule, Z is equal to x power n, delta Z by Z relative error equal to n into delta x by x. This exponent will become a coefficient like this. Okay, and product rule, Z equal to xy, we can write delta Z by Z equal to delta x by x plus delta y by y, and quotient rule, that is Z equal to x by y, we can write delta Z by Z equal to delta x by x plus delta y by y. Now you got a doubt, for both product rule and quotient rule why we are having plus sign there. Actually here what we are finding is the maximum possible error or the worst case error. So whenever you have a physical quantity Z equal to x plus y or x minus y, the error delta Z equal to delta x plus delta y, you won't get minus here because this is the maximum possible error or the worst case error. So let me apply this formula here, delta p by p equal to 3 into delta a by a, the exponent 3 will become coefficient, and here 2 delta b by b, and here delta c by c plus 1 by 2 delta d by d, because here the power is exponent is 1 by 2. If you substitute all these things, means they have already given here the values 1324%. Just substitute 3 into 1% plus 2 into 3% plus 2%, and here 1 by 2 into 4%. If you substitute all these things, you'll get a 13% final answer. Okay. Next, let us go to the third question. This is related to the vernier calipers, and observe what is the data given. First, they have given here 10 VSD equal to 9 MSD. So by using this, we can find the least count. 10 VSD equal to 9 MSD. So that means 1 VSD equal to 9 by 10 MSD. So now let us find the least count of vernier calipers, that is 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. If you substitute, you will get 1 minus 9 by 10 MSD. If you see the question carefully, they have given this MSD 0.1 centimeter. So let us substitute that. So here it is 1 by 10 into zero point 0.1, which is 0.01 centimeter. This is the least count. Okay. Now what they are asking, we have to find this actual reading. We have to find this reading, and here they have given reading showing is 5 centimeter here, and the vernier scale coincidence is 8, and one more zero of vernier scale, here it is a 0.1. So by using this we can write the true reading is equal to actual reading plus vernier scale coincidence into least count minus the 0 of vernier scale. If I substitute all these things, here it is a 5 centimeter given in the data, please check, and coincidence here it is 8, least count we already calculated, and 0 of vernier scale, that is a 0.1 centimeter. If you substitute all these things, you will get a 4.98 centimeter. That's it. Okay, so we will meet again in the next chapter. Thank you.